Rick with the best of everything, and we're looking at the TaoTronics model TT-AH0001 ultrasonic cool mist humidifier, 3 liters, 30 watts, filtered production. This looks like a really nice humidifier, and I can guarantee summertime under the central air conditioning it gets dry. Let's pop this open and take a look. That comes out. Brush comes out. There we go. Cool. So, control panel. Okay, let's get some juice in this thing. Okay, we've got a half a gallon of filtered water in there. Let's see what happens. A little sensor light came on. Okay, 5 hours. Timer set. Mist engaged. I can hear this little impeller going, and it is now making mist. That took like no time at all. Cool. And that is the TaoTronics TT-AH0001 humidifier. That works. You know, that feels pretty good, as a matter of fact. I didn't realize it was so damn dry in here. Well, I got one. I am just damn happy about that already. My sinuses feel better after like 30 seconds. You ought to try one too.